Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you all are good. Very good morning to all of you. So as in the previous video, we just completed our exercise part 4 in which we have completed all the question and answers, and I hope that was clear to all of you. Now today we are just moving forward to our new exercise part 5 in which we are going to do match the following of the same lesson number 2, types of houses. Okay, so you have to do like I am going to do. Firstly, you have to copy out the question. After writing the question, in front of the question you have to write the answers. Okay, so we are just moving forward to our new exercise part 5 in which we are going to do match the following of lesson number 2. So students, we are just moving forward to our next exercise part 5. Okay, firstly I'm writing down the date. Today's date is 22nd April 2022. Lesson number 2, types of houses. Match the following. Okay, so the first one is kacha house. Tell me the answer. Kacha house. Answer will be damaged easily. Why? Because kacha houses are mostly found in villages, and kacha houses is known as like hut. So when it rains a lot or storm take place, then these houses made up of mud and straw will be damaged or destroyed easily. Okay, so the next one, houseboat. Tell me the answer. Houseboats are mostly found in 2 places. I told you in the explanation part also, there will be mainly 2 places where houseboats found. First is your Kerala and second is your Kashmir. Okay, and in Kashmir houseboats are commonly called as shikara. Okay, shikara is the other word that Kashmiri people used to called the houseboats. Third one, tent. Tell me the answer of this. Tent is a movable house. It is made up of a thick cloth called as canvas. Okay, it's a type of thick cloth that is used to make tents. Okay, so the fourth one, Inuit. Tell me the answer of this. I already told you in the explanation part what is the meaning of Inuit. These were the Eskimos. Where they live? They live in an igloo. Okay. And what are igloo? Igloo is a house made up of ice blocks or snow. And they are found in areas where heavy snowfall take place throughout the year. Okay. Last one. Caravan. Tell me the answer of this. It is a movable house that moves on wheels. Okay, it is a movable house and it moves on the wheels. Okay, so this is the exercise part 5 of lesson number 2. Here all the exercises of this lesson is completed, and I hope that was clear to all of you. If you have any kind of query, or if your work is incomplete or any other problem, just ask me directly, or if you have any kind of trouble, just ask me on my personal or on the school group. Okay, now your homework. Your homework is, you have to take a drawing sheet and make 2 insects that enter your home uninvitedly. Okay, you have to draw on a drawing sheet 2 insects that enters in your house. Okay, you have to draw any 2. I hope this video is clear to all of you and you all have completed your work. After completing your work, just send the pictures in the group so that I can check it, and or in my personal number. Now your SST homework. Your homework is, you have to do, take a drawing sheet or take a chart paper if you have at your home, small size, like I'm going to show you, like this. This is called A4 size sheet. You can take this also, or you can take a drawing sheet. Okay, that is available at your home. Okay, take a drawing sheet and draw 2 insects. Okay, draw 2 insects that enters your house. Okay, that enters your house uninvitedly, means Like in our house, most of the insects were enter, like fly, house fly, and like mm, beetles, or like crickets. So you have to draw only two insects that enter in your house. Okay, this is your SST homework. Thank you.